everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, Aaron is going to read a fun and lovely story called I Love My Dragon. Are you ready? Let's get started. My dragon and I have been friends since I was a baby. We go everywhere together. My dragon and I love music and reading. We love the pool. And we love the beach. My dragon and I share snacks and juice and adventures. We take good care of my baby brother and have so much fun together. Especially when we fly. I love you, dragon. Did you enjoy the story? Thank you for listening with us. See you next time. Bye bye.